Hey everyone, Creative Venus here and welcome to another beautiful tutorial, and this time we are using MS Excel. So before moving further, let's watch this video. HIPDF is an all-in-one online PDF solution and it is an awesome tool. As you can see, it can compress PDF, then you can convert it into different formats like Word, PDF, Excel, then you can edit the PDF, split PDF and lot more. If you go to the convert section, and you will find lots of options like PDF to GIF, then you can convert it into PMP. But today we will focus on converting a PDF to DXF file format. It is used in CAD designing, so it's very simple. Just click on it, select a file that you want to convert. For example, this is the sample PDF that we want to convert into DXF format, and for that you have to select it, click on open, and now it will upload it. It will take some time, and you can see here you can in fact upload a file from your Dropbox, OneDrive and Box. So it has got all those features. So now the upload is complete and we have to just press convert and it will automatically convert it. And now the conversion is completed. You just have to press download and the download has started. So now you can see the file format here, it's DXF. So it is very simple, as you have seen. So for more information about hipdf.com and its features and everything and how to download, just check out the links in the video description. So coming back to the tutorial, the first step is to insert a shape. So you have to take a blank sheet and insert this rounded rectangle, and you have to reduce its roundedness by dragging this yellow small dot. Once you have placed it, remove its outline, we don't need it. After that, we have to fill some nice color into it. So we have filled this light gray color. Now just duplicate it, go to shape format, fill white color. So reduce its height and width so that it fits inside the gray rounded rectangle. Align to center, then align middle. And you will get something like this. Now go to shape effects, and this is the time to add some shadows. Just experiment with these sliders to get the best shadow output. Also change the color of shadow from black to something dark blue. Blue looks much better than the black shadow. Now again duplicate this gray rounded rectangle and fill any color you want. Make sure you have a color palette selected. I'm following this purple scheme, so that's why I have used this color. And we have removed the outline. Now we have to align it with the gray rounded rectangle. For that you can use the align option. Now we have to use this edit shape options. Now we have to edit these points. First of all, we have to open the path, then delete these points one by one and keep on just deleting these points. And in the end, you will be left with the corner part of the shape, and that is what is really required here. So this is the part we did need. After that, we have to insert a rectangular shape. Then go to illustrations, shapes, and insert this rectangle. And you have to match its height with this purple shape. And then you have to align it to the top. And remove its outline and change its color to purple and then select both the shapes and group them together. Right click, group. Now just duplicate this group, and we want to place it on the left side as well, but we will change its size, and for that we have to just select and reduce its size from the corner like this and align it to the left. Select this white rounded rectangle and bring it to front, and now you can see that this dashboard has started taking its shape, and now we have filled this matching color on the left. So one thing I would like to tell, that this is an automatic dashboard. We will keep the data on the second tab, and what we will do is we will change the values in the second tab, and this will automatically gets populated in this dashboard. So you don't have to touch this dashboard. All you have to do is just change the data in the second tab. That's all you have to do. Now just increase the width of this rectangle. So till now whatever we are doing is for visual representation, and on the later stage in this video we will learn how to connect this dashboard to the data. Now just duplicate this rounded rectangle, fill a different color. Again we have to delete the points, so just keep on deleting the points until you are left with the corner part of the shape. Now just align it to the right, align top. Now we have to insert a rectangle here and draw the rectangle, remove its outline, align it to the top of this white rounded rectangle, or you can match the height by manually entering the number like 9.73 cm. So align it to the top, and we have to adjust it with the corner shape. Now group them together, make sure both these shapes have the same color. Increase the width and now select this green shape, increase its height and slightly increase the width so that it matches with the background shape, and now it is looking really nice. And now you can duplicate this shape as well, just flip it horizontally and place it on the left like this, and we have to reduce its width to match the green shape. So it is pretty easy. It's same as you do in PowerPoint. The steps are same. Of course there are certain features which are not available in MS Excel that are there in the PowerPoint in terms of designing, but still there are a lot that you can do. Now what we have to do is insert a text box and write the title of this dashboard. So here it depends upon the dashboard you are creating, so you can write the name here. Make it bold. Of course bold will look much better, highly visible. Remove the outline and the fill. Now just duplicate this white rounded rectangle, reduce its size and place it here. Now here comes the interesting part. We will duplicate it like 4 to 5 times. It depends upon the KPIs you want to show, the number of KPIs. So now insert a text box like this. So this will be the heading. Press equal to and then select the KPI like this. Go to formula bar, write equal to and then select the KPI. Now duplicate this text box and again press equal to in the formula bar and select the KPI value. Now remove the outline and the fill. Just format these two text boxes, apply the right font and reduce the height of the KPI and make sure both of these are center aligned. Just group them together and place it on this white shape. Slightly adjust them manually so that both these text boxes fit inside this rectangle. Once it is done, you can duplicate it multiple times and create n number of KPIs. So we have changed the color of the KPI, bold, and now it's ready. And similarly you can create multiple KPIs. It's very easy. Just select the text box, press equal to in the formula bar at the top and select the data point, the KPI or the value, anything. The cell you will select, the value will pop up here. So that's how it works. So if you already know Excel, then it will be pretty easy for you to understand. But if you are the first time viewer, then I would suggest go watch some Excel formula tutorials, some basic tutorials like some subtraction, multiplication, how you do that. Then you will get some basic idea. So whenever you press equal to in a cell, it represents that we are adding some value or some formula there. So now we have added 5 KPIs. So we don't have to change the values here. We have to change the values in the sheet too, and the values will automatically change here. Now we have inserted this rounded rectangle again. So this will be the placeholder for any text you want to write, some insights like 30% increase in this due to this, or any insight you want to write. So that can be added here. So now we want to add some chart here. So I have already added some dummy data. So let's create this chart. Just cut and paste it here. Now you have to do some formatting, like some basic formatting steps like remove outline, remove the fill, change the color of these bars. So change the font of the chart to match the font of this overall dashboard, that is Releve. It's a free Google font that you can download from Google Fonts. So here comes your creativity, how you want to show this chart. You can change the color, match the theme. You can change the width of these bars as well from this option. Like you can slide these sliders and adjust the values accordingly. Similarly, you can fill gradient colors in these charts, and you know how to fill gradient. It is the same as it is in PowerPoint, so it's pretty easy. Again, fill the gradient color. So first of all, you need a color scheme. The colors you want to use, make sure you have the right color scheme, then you can apply the same throughout your dashboard. So we have created the chart here. Now let's create one more chart. This time we are creating a pie chart. Again, some basic formatting. Remove the unwanted items. We want to keep it clean, minimal, add some nice colors. So for each division we can change the color in the pie chart. So you can follow these already built-in color schemes, which I generally don't like. I would like custom designs. So here we can change the color of each segment. And one more thing, you can even fill gradient colors in it, so that would also look awesome. So I'm just testing few colors here. So you have to cut it from here, then paste on the sheet 1. I'm looking for some more options, like what else we can do, but let's place it on the right. I'm not sure how it will look. Let's place it there, then only we can do something about it. Like we have to remove its fill, reduce its size, and place it here. Remove the legend. So we have added the title. Now let's write some text here, some insights. So I'm writing some dummy text here. So the idea here is that you don't have to write directly here. You have to write this text as well in the sheet 2, and it will be automatically called here. For that, what you have to do is you have to again follow the same step. You have to select this text box, and in the formula bar you have to write equal to and equal to sign, equal sign, and then press the cell where the information is placed in the sheet 2. So the sheet 2 is your data sheet, and you have to place that information on the sheet 2, and you have to just connect this text box with the sheet 2 information. And now you can format it, like remove its outline and fill, and the text that is present here is actually present on the sheet 2. So now we are just adding more information in this text, and this information will be automatically shown there. So you can present some insights related to data. Also, it would be great if you can add some recommendations as well. That also looks good. Like the chart is already showcasing the data, but in this text box you can write insights plus some actionable points. So now we just need to add some heading for this insight, and for that you can duplicate the title and place it here. Just change the title here. So if you see, this total dashboard is very easy to create. All you have to do is just play with the shapes. You have to arrange the shapes, add some charts, insert text boxes, link the text boxes with the data with the help of equal sign, equal to. So that's all you have to do. Now let's format this pie chart as well. So we want to add some line between the segments, so you can insert the line there like this. Now insert another shape, and this time it's a circle. Remove its outline and place it at the center of this pie chart, and we want to add the percentage here for the biggest share, and this will be totally automated. You don't have to write here anything, you just have to connect it with the data in the sheet 2 again, and on this white circle data will automatically appear. So first you have to add data labels on the pie chart. Fill white color so that we can see the percentages. Change the font to releve. So formatting and alignment takes some time, so I keep on redoing all those things. Just trying to format and adding the legend. I think it will look good on the left. Increase the width of the chart so that there is enough place for this chart. Now insert the text box here, and we want to add the value 49%, the highest value here. But for that we have to do some calculation here, like we have to sum all these numbers like this by applying the sum formula. Then we have to calculate the percentages here. We have to divide the value with the sum here. For that you have to insert this formula. Now we have the percentages. Go to format cell, change the type to percentage, decimal places to 0, and now we just have to connect this text box by writing the equal to sign. But before that you have to do some basic formatting, like remove its outline and fill. After that you can connect it with the data. So I hope you guys understood this Excel dashboard. I generally do PowerPoint dashboards, but I also like these Excel dashboards because these have those data elements which I really like, and for that part I love to create these Excel dashboards. So I hope you will like this design and use it, and this is an automated dashboard. So please subscribe to our channel and join the membership. This will really help us. So here you can see we have added some more description, and again we don't have to write the description here, but we have to write it in the sheet 2. I'm writing it here in order to format it. So this is the first time you have to write, just to format the text box. After that you have to connect it with the sheet 2, and here I'm writing this dummy description. So this is a description, please change it to explain the content. And so it can be like, you know, highlighting the important KPIs related to pie chart, and the text should be short, like 2-3 lines, not more than that. It would be great if you can write it in the form of bullet points, because it will be easier for the user to read the text and the insights. I'm just thinking like what else we can do here. So the legend is taking too much space, so I've reduced its size and increased the size of pie chart, because the pie chart is more graphical in nature. Now it's the time to add few icons. So this is an automated dashboard that I told you, and so we will place this dashboard on at least 7 to 8 Excel tabs, and we will place these icons on the left. Each icon represents, different KPIs. So like this dashboard represents sales, and the next dashboard represents growth, the third one represents some targets, fourth related to budgeting. So that's how you can do it. You have to just hyperlink these icons, and the dashboard will automatically change. So this is a dynamic dashboard, but very easy to create. So you can place the icons here, and we will hyperlink these icons, and I'll tell you how you can do that. But before that, let's place these icons. You have to arrange them. For that, you have to select all of these icons, align to center, distribute vertically, fill white color, reduce their size, so distribute vertically, and now you can group them. So the last one is like not appearing correctly, so for that we have to move it up. Now select all the icons again, go to graphic format, align, distribute vertically. Now you can group these icons together. Now insert a text box, and you can write the report name, like report 2020 volume 1.25, anything, or the volume 20. And rotate the text, and we want to place it like this. So you can place the text here. So such styles look good and aesthetically always catches the user attention, and this makes the dashboard looks beautiful. Increase the character spacing between the text here. You can do that manually by adding spaces, because in the PowerPoint you have that option of character spacing, but it is not there in the Excel, but you can do that manually. And that's how you can place it. So you can adjust it so that it appears at the middle of this overall dashboard. Slightly increase its size. So now the dashboard looks really awesome. Now we want to add some analytical feel. For that we have to duplicate this purple shape and insert a nice image on this part of the shape. Slightly adjust so that the image doesn't look stretched. So you can do it like offsetting the left and right values. Once it's done, align left, align top, and you have to send it to back, as you always do in the presentations. So you have to follow the same concept here of the layers. Now increase the transparency. We have to send this gray background to the back as well. Now you have to increase the transparency. Select this shape as well. Increase the transparency here. And now you can see the technology background is looking really nice. So I hope you like this design. So please subscribe to our channel, join the membership, hit like, hit share, and keep following us on our YouTube channel. And we will create more such beautiful dashboards and the videos. And I'll tell you guys some more secrets about these Excel dashboards. So till then, bye bye, peace.